Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here. In this video we're going to go ahead and start repainting the viewfinder of the Bolex H-16 Reflex. So, inside's clean, got the top plate over there, and we got this taped up all the way around. So, let's get started. Alright, next I got this top plate for the viewfinder, and we're going to go ahead and start painting that. Okay, so as you can see over here, the viewfinder, this part of where I started painting it flat black, and the upper plate of the viewfinder, we're going to go ahead and start painting it flat black as well. As you can see, that's turned out really well. Very nice. On this lever for the viewfinder, the little shutter there, it's got some rust under the chrome due to water damage. So I'm going to have to sand and file this off, and later I got to re-chrome this stuff. Get started. Okay, next I'm going to start cleaning this particular prism. Look around in the back. See, it's got some metal on there, the aluminum rather. I'll use some sandpaper, clean that up before I start reassembling the prisms. Okay, now as you can start to see, I'm using a Q-tip to clean the rust off of this prism, and you need to do so with rubbing alcohol. And you will have to scrub on it if you find yourself in this position. Remember to wear latex or white cotton gloves like I do here again, as not to have your bodily oils damage the prisms and the glass. Okay, so next, back to the eyepiece. You have to remove the glass inside of here. And again, if you remember from one of my previous videos, take this micro screwdriver or a spanner. There's a little ring inside of here that's threaded. You need to go around and around and around and move it out. When you dump these out, there are two pieces of glass in here. Do remember the orientation. We'll go over that in just a moment. So once you've unscrewed that ring inside, you want to dump these out in your hands. Make sure to remember to wear the gloves. And remember the orientation. If they happen to spill out in your hand the wrong way, there's the ring. The first lens, the first piece of glass here, needs to be flat towards the outside of the eyepiece. It should be touching your eye essentially. Or the rubber cup. The inside of it here is concave. The next is the fisheye on both sides. Alright, so now we're going to clean these. Hope you have enjoyed episode 13 of an overhaul on a Bolex H-16 Reflex film camera. Do subscribe, comment, like, and share the videos, and look forward to the next one. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. See ya!